Can't you read the signs? What you doing? Bobbing like a motherfucker. Suck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it. You did the vote act to the hoax act, that's for show, black. Be a Mac to keep your dough fat. And tell me what does it take to be a G? I started with a throwdown, some pounds to a geek. You gotta watch your backstage, strap the alert. Started as a young motherfucker doing dirt. And now I'm in the rap game like the trap game. I got enemies. Can't pretend to see my friends are not my enemies. And even thug motherfuckers wanna have fun. Stuck in fucking my motherfucking magnum. What does it take to be a G? Silence is a must, violence is a plus. Plus, shots at my adversaries, them niggas scary, but it's hard to be buried. Cause I be fucking in the fucking hunt. Thug for life, high till I die, shooting crooked ass cops, let me fry. Do or die to my brothers in the penitentiary. Raise hell when them niggas mention me. Thug for life, high till I die when them stupid ass bitches ass fly. Tell them, thug for life, high till I die when them stupid ass bitches ass fly. Tell them, gang, thicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. And jealous motherfuckers can't see that it's the fame that cost these stupid bitches not the pussy free. So tell me why you sweat a motherfucker like me, a young nigga trying to hustle up some G's. You pussy ass player hating hoes, speaking down on niggas, jumping around at the shows. And you the first motherfucker to jump to the trunk when it's time for funk. Little trick ass punk. Thug motherfuckers don't die, we get high, we multiply, motherfucker.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. You could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday. You never thought we'd go to war after all the things we saw. It's April Fool's Day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. We'll all go running underground and we'll be listening for the sound. It's only Wednesday. In your shelter dimly lit,
Bet you never thought you'd see a couple 6 foot something burly guys with their hand up a Corvette's ass, did you?